Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, just click on it here. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on behavior here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come here to wake up here the device to keep Zello connected here. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.